Next, we're going to set up your calendars. Click on Calendars Management. Here you'd want to click on the Add New button. Type in your name. Set the times that you'll be available for your bookings. Once you've done that, click on Create. Now your calendar has been set up. Click on your name. You can select multiple times of when you won't be available for a booking. Click on Set as Busy. If you'd like to share your calendar with a member of staff, click on your calendar. Go straight to Edit Calendar, and at the top right hand corner, click on Share. Enter their phone number. Here you can decide whether you want that staff member to be able to change calendar times or to edit time slots. Click on Send. You will see below of who you've shared that calendar with. That staff member will get a notification on their phone stating that you've shared that calendar with them. They will then have access just like you.